Ahoy, maritime enthusiasts! Welcome aboard as we embark on an exciting journey to explore the world of seaports. From their bustling activity to their crucial role in global trade, seaports are fascinating hubs of activity that connect nations and facilitate commerce. So grab your sailor's hat and let's set sail into the world of seaports. Seaports are vital hubs of global trade and commerce, serving as the primary gateways for the transportation of goods between countries and continents. Strategically located along coastlines and near major shipping routes, ports facilitate the efficient movement of cargo, supporting both international and domestic trade. They are equipped with specialized infrastructure, including docks, cranes, warehouses, and container terminals to handle various types of cargo such as bulk goods, containers, and liquid commodities. In addition to their commercial functions, seaports also play crucial roles in logistics, acting as distribution centers where goods are transferred from ships to other modes of transportation, like trucks, trains, and pipelines for further delivery inland. The economic significance of seaports extends beyond their immediate operational activities. They generate employment opportunities, stimulate local economies, and attract related industries such as shipping, logistics, and manufacturing. Ports also contribute to national economies by facilitating exports and imports, supporting industries ranging from agriculture to technology. Modern seaports are increasingly focused on sustainability and efficiency, implementing advanced technologies and practices to minimize environmental impact and enhance operational effectiveness. As global trade continues to grow, the development and modernization of seaports remain essential to accommodate larger ships, increasing cargo volumes, and the evolving demands of international commerce. Seaports serve as critical nodes in the global supply chain, performing a wide array of functions essential to international trade and logistics. One of their primary functions is to facilitate the efficient loading and unloading of cargo from ships. This involves the use of specialized equipment such as cranes, forklifts, and conveyors to handle diverse types of cargo, including containerized goods, bulk commodities like grain, coal, and ore, and liquid cargo such as oil and chemicals. Ports also provide storage facilities, including warehouses and open yards, where goods can be temporarily held before being distributed to their final destinations. These storage areas are crucial for managing the flow of goods, especially when dealing with large volumes and varying shipping schedules. In addition to cargo handling and storage, seaports play a pivotal role in customs and regulatory processes. They are the points of entry and exit for goods, where customs officials inspect cargo to ensure compliance with national and international regulations, collect tariffs, and enforce import and export restrictions. Ports also offer logistical services, including the consolidation and deconsolidation of shipments, which involve combining smaller shipments into larger ones or breaking down large shipments into smaller loads for further distribution. This function is vital for optimizing transport efficiency and reducing costs. Furthermore, seaports act as intermodal transfer points, seamlessly connecting maritime transport with other transportation modes such as rail, road, and air, thus enabling the smooth and efficient movement of goods across the global supply chain. The infrastructure at seaports is designed to support the complex and diverse operations required for efficient cargo handling and transportation. One of the most critical components is the berth, which includes docks and quays where ships are moored for loading and unloading. These areas are equipped with heavy-duty cranes, such as container cranes for lifting standardized containers and bulk handling cranes for raw materials. Additionally, ports often feature extensive storage facilities, including warehouses for dry goods, refrigerated storage for perishables, and open yards for containers and large equipment. The layout and capacity of these storage areas are essential for managing the flow and volume of goods, ensuring that cargo can be stored safely and accessed efficiently. Beyond the immediate cargo handling areas, seaport infrastructure also encompasses a wide range of support facilities and systems. This includes transportation links, such as road and rail connections that facilitate the movement of goods to and from the port. Advanced IT and communication systems are critical for coordinating logistics, managing inventory, and ensuring smooth operations. Ports also require robust utilities and services, such as power supplies, water, and waste management systems, to support the various activities within the port. Security infrastructure, including surveillance systems and customs checkpoints, is vital for protecting cargo and complying with international regulations. Additionally, modern ports are increasingly integrating sustainable practices into their infrastructure, such as energy-efficient equipment and environmentally friendly technologies, to reduce their ecological footprint and enhance operational efficiency. Seaports handle a diverse array of cargo types, each requiring specialized facilities and equipment to ensure efficient and safe transport. One of the most common types is containerized cargo, which involves goods packed into standardized containers. This method of cargo handling has revolutionized global trade by simplifying loading and unloading processes, improving security, and facilitating intermodal transport. Container terminals at seaports are equipped with gantry cranes, automated stacking cranes, and other advanced equipment to handle these large metal boxes swiftly and efficiently. Containers can hold a wide range of products, from consumer electronics and clothing to machinery and industrial components, making containerized cargo a versatile and essential part of modern maritime logistics. In addition to containerized cargo, seaports also manage bulk cargo, which can be categorized into dry bulk and liquid bulk. Dry bulk cargo includes materials like coal, grain, ore, and fertilizers, typically transported in large quantities without packaging. Ports handling dry bulk have specialized conveyor belts, hoppers, and silos to manage the loading and unloading processes. Liquid bulk cargo, such as crude oil, petroleum products, chemicals, and liquefied natural gas, LNG, requires different infrastructure, including pipelines, storage tanks, and dedicated berths equipped with pumping systems. Another significant category is break bulk cargo, which includes items that are too large or irregularly shaped to fit into standard containers, such as machinery, vehicles, and construction materials. These items are often loaded individually or in smaller crates and require customized handling solutions. Each type of cargo necessitates specific equipment and protocols, ensuring that seaports can accommodate the vast array of goods that pass through their gates daily. Seaports, as critical nodes in global trade, have significant environmental impacts that necessitate careful consideration and management. One major concern is air pollution, primarily from ships' emissions, cargo handling equipment, and trucks operating within port areas. These emissions include greenhouse gases, sulfur oxides, SOx, nitrogen oxides, NOx, and particulate matter, which contribute to climate change and degrade air quality, impacting the health of local communities. To mitigate these effects, many ports are adopting cleaner technologies, such as shore power, also known as cold ironing, which allows ships to plug into the local electrical grid instead of running their engines while docked. Additionally, the transition to low-sulfur fuels and the implementation of emissions control areas, ECAs, are critical steps toward reducing air pollution from maritime activities. Another significant environmental consideration for seaports is the management of water pollution and marine ecosystems. Ports can affect water quality through the discharge of ballast water, which may introduce invasive species to local ecosystems, and the runoff of pollutants such as oil, chemicals, and debris. Implementing stringent ballast water management systems and regular monitoring of water quality are essential practices to prevent ecological damage. Furthermore, ports are increasingly focusing on sustainable dredging practices, necessary for maintaining navigable waterways, but potentially disruptive to marine habitats. By using environmentally friendly dredging techniques and restoring natural habitats, ports can minimize their ecological footprint. Additionally, the development of green port initiatives, which include energy-efficient operations, waste reduction programs, and the protection of local biodiversity, exemplifies the ongoing efforts to balance port activities with environmental stewardship. Well, maritime adventurers, we've reached the end of our voyage through the world of seaports. From their bustling activity to their vital role in global trade, seaports are truly remarkable hubs of commerce and connectivity. I hope you've enjoyed learning about these maritime marvels as much as I have. Until next time, fair winds and following seas.